planning a trip to Disney World in 2026, let's talk about the best times to go when the crowds are lower, the weather is more manageable sometimes, and your experience can be as magical as it can be. Number 1, January 20th through the 30th of 2026. Mid to late January is this hidden gem for Disney travel. It's one of our favorite times to go. The holiday crowds are gone, the weather is usually cool and comfortable, and it's right after the busy marathon weekend, so you can enjoy shorter lines and lower hotel prices. Just make sure you pack some layers and check the weather before your trip because it can get chilly, especially in the mornings and evenings. Number 2, May 4th through the 21st of 2026. Early to mid-May is a perfect pre-summer window. You'll beat the Memorial Day crowds and the peak summer heat, although it will still be hot. Flowers are in full bloom, Epcot's Flower and Garden Festival is wrapping up, and the hotel rates are usually still reasonable. It's a sweet spot with warm but not sweltering weather, and the moderate crowds will make it easier too. Next up, August 10th through the 31st of 2026. If you can handle the heat, August is your friend. Most families have wrapped up their summer vacations and are prepping for school, so the parks are quieter, and you'll find some of the lowest crowd levels of the year and some great last-minute deals on resorts a lot of times. Just be sure to plan indoor breaks and stay hydrated. Continuing that trend, we go into September, the whole month of September. It is historically the least crowded month at Disney World. Post Labor Day, the parks are super quiet. Halloween decorations are already up and Halloween parties are taking place 2 or 3 times a week. It's also a value season for pricing. Just know that it will be hot and humid with a higher chance of afternoon rains as it is in the middle of hurricane season. And lastly, December 1st through the 5th of 2026. If you want holiday magic without the chaos, this is going to be the best option for you. You'll get to enjoy the full holiday decor, including Epcot's Festival of the Holidays, which doesn't start until after Thanksgiving, plus the seasonal treats without the Christmas week crowd surge. Make sure you book early, though. These dates are becoming more and more popular each year. So there you have it, 5 great times to visit Disney World in 2026 that balance lower crowds, special events, manageable weather. If you're flexible with your dates, you can save money and have a much more relaxing trip. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and check out our full Disney World crowd calendar at www.prepschool.com, and it is linked in the description for even more planning help. Thanks for joining.